Ford key fobs can be opened using two primary methods: release tab and split case. Modern fobs from the 2010s onwards usually have a small tab on the side or bottom. Use a flat tool to press or pry the tab to release the case halves. Older models from pre-2010 often use a split case design, requiring gentle prying with plastic tools to avoid scratches. Be sure to check your model's user manual or Ford's online resources for specific instructions. Avoid using metal tools to prevent short circuits. Open the fob to access the battery and internal components. Ford key fobs use CR2032 lithium coin batteries that power the remote functions. To replace the battery, first remove the old one, then wait 30 to 60 seconds to reset the electronics. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up, snap the case back together, and test that the fob works. Replacement batteries cost about $2 to $5 and typically last 2 to 4 years depending on usage. Modern fobs feature rolling code encryption for security, requiring careful battery replacement to maintain proper signal pairing with the vehicle. Looking ahead, Ford is integrating digital key technology that works through smartphone apps and may move toward battery-free key fobs in the future as automotive technology continues to evolve.